fall, the leaves of the deciduous trees change color from greens to a beautiful assortment of yellows, oranges, and reds. What is going on? This whole process is called leaf senescence, which is the time when the valuable nutrients in leaves are quickly pulled back into the woody parts of the tree before the sensitive leaves are allowed to be damaged by the impending cold. Why do trees do this, and how does it make the leaves turn different colors? During the growing season, leaves put an enormous amount of energy into getting more energy, which, when your energy comes from the sun, means making chlorophyll, the biomolecule that turns light energy into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the infamous biologic energy, photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is also responsible for the green color of leaves since it absorbs red and blue light, but reflects green light, so that's the color you see. Turns out that chlorophyll, along with other complex biomolecules, are actually pretty expensive for plants to make. That being said, they want to hold on to that hard work through the winter so they don't have to start from scratch come springtime. Here's where senescence comes in. As the plants sense the daylight hours shortening and the temperature dropping, they begin to pull the chlorophyll back from the leaves to the stems, creating a little bud at the base of each leaf. As the chlorophyll is broken down and reabsorbed, a yellowy-orange color is left, compounds called carotenoids, like carrots. See the name comparison? This color has actually been there all summer, but it was invisible to our eyes with the chlorophyll there. Carotenoids are responsible for absorbing light and passing it to the chlorophyll so they can do more photosynthesis, as well as photoprotection, which is literally protecting the internal cell structures from light damage. So that makes sense. The yellow is left to protect the leaves from light while they scramble to take back all of the chlorophyll that they've made during the growing season. But the red-purpley color is a different story. It's not there all year, otherwise you'd see it, but instead the plants make it especially for senescence. What? They're putting more energy into this process that's already hard? That doesn't make sense. At least right now, we don't have a good explanation for why they do it. These pigments are called anthocyanins and are also photoprotective. Sometimes they're known as antioxidants when they're in foods, and you can find them in grapes, pomegranates, red cabbage, even in violets, anything. Anthocyanins can absorb blue, violet, and ultraviolet light, which are higher wavelengths than what chlorophyll absorbs, which is more intense light, therefore can be more damaging. So all those pretty colors? That's the plants putting on chemical sunblocks so they don't get hurt while they prepare themselves for the long winter. Now you know.